We are wondering, well, what should you fix if you're in a hot selling market, and what should you not fix? So next week, we're going to talk about what you should fix. But this time, today, contrary to what Brad might think, because he thinks everything should be fixed prior to, I'm going to tell you these are the things you do not want to fix. And that's because when an inspector does come in, you want them to find things because that's what they're doing. They're looking for things to find. So if it's a major issue, yeah, you can address it. But if it's something minor, it might be worth it so you can negotiate that on the repair request. Okay. Minor electrical or plumbing issues, small isolated electrical and plumbing problems, light switches attached to nothing, faucets that drip a bit. You might want to consider not fixing those or replacing the washers and fixing the lights. That could be something you could do. Old appliances, make that part of a negotiation process. Aging windows, same thing. You don't want to put a lot of money in because you're not going to get money out when you replace windows. Unless you're going to live in the house for a while. Outdated floor coverings, it's worth it to reinvest into refinish surfaces that are worn, but just for the sake of doing the refinish or changing them out, don't do that. Major room upgrades that you can't finish. If you're starting something, folks, you definitely want to be able to finish that upgrade. Otherwise, it devalues your home immensely because maybe there's $1,000 worth of work left, but that buyer is going to see it as $5,000 or $10,000 of worth, and they don't want to get in the middle of it. So that really does come down to it. And should you sell your house? Well, staging also helps. Curb appeal also helps. So get the mulch ready once it warms up a little bit more, though we did have a great week, a couple of days of it at least. And if you're struggling to sell fast, uh, think about calling the Sokoler team. Okay, that was a selfish plug, but it was true. You can give us a call, 376-5483.